Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to block ads on Facebook. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to Facebook. Once you're here, tap on the menu on the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon right here on top right. Once you're here on settings, tap the magnifying glass icon here on the top right and type ads. Then, type Add Preferences. Once you're here, tap Add Settings. Find categories used to reach you and just tap on it. This will take you to a page, and once it loads, just scroll down and you will find these options that are turned on. So, just tap on all of them to turn them off. Once they're off, tap on Other Categories. All you have to do now is to remove everything on this page by just tapping on the remove button, and it will remove the ads on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.